So 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow round around. 1, 2, 3, 4. You plie. 5. You hold your plie, okay? 6. Go front. 7. Straight back on. 8. We do 4 fast. Same direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plie. 5. Leg up. You go su. 6 and 7. So little plie and 8. From back reverse. 1 slow. 2 slow. Brush back with plie. Front. Back. Do you see that up body? Up body. Up body. Straight up. Okay? 4 fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just simply 1, su. Immediately so little plie. Immediately plie. 1 count each. Put one front and up. Put one back and up. Put one to the side and up. Turn your back, slide down. Up to the su. Finish down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up body. 6, 7, 8. 4 fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leg up. Su. Quick swing. And plie. From back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Brush 8. 1. 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Leg up. Su. Little plie. Plie. Break. Front.